Every candlestick on your chart is a battle. Learn to read who won. Every candlestick tells a story. A single candle captures an entire battle between buyers and sellers. For numbers: open, high, low, close. The open is where the fight started. The close is where it ended. The high is the furthest buyers could push. The low is the furthest sellers could reach. Green candle means buyers won that session. Red means sellers won. A record of who showed up, who fought harder, and who walked away with control. The body size tells you how convincing the victory was. This candle, huge green body. Buyers dominated. Sellers barely showed up. This one, small green. Buyers won, but the fight was close. Now this, almost no body. A doji. Neither side won. Pura indecision. Small red here. Sellers edged it out, but no conviction. And this, massive red. Sellers crushed it. Total dominance. The body is the scoreboard. Bigger body, bigger victory. Now the wicks. This is where the real information lies. This lower wick. Sellers pushed price all the way down here. But buyers absorbed every sell and dragged price back up. That wick is a scar. Sellers tried and failed. This upper wick. Buyers pushed up here. Sellers slammed it back down. Buyers tried and failed. Both wicks long. A spinning top. Both sides fought. Nobody won. And these two, no wicks at all. Maribozu. One side had total control. Zero resistance from open to close. The wick shows you where the battle happened. The body shows you who won. Now, let's read a real chart. Read the battle. Downtrend. Large red bodies, small wicks. Sellers in full control. Then something changes at this level. Look at these lower wicks. Sellers push down, buyers drag it back. Every single time. Small bodies, but the wicks scream that sellers are failing. Then this candle. Big green body. Buyers take control. No hosetaschen. The small red after. Tiny body. Not a reversal. Sellers have nothing left. Buyers continue. Each green candle confirms the shift. Read the body size, the wick direction, and the conviction. Every candle you look at, ask 3 questions. Who won? Body color. Green means buyers, red means sellers. How convincingly? Body size. Big body, clear winner. Small body, close fight. Who tried and failed? Look at the wicks. A long wick is a failed attempt. These 3 questions tell you everything you need to know. Want to practice reading candles? Download the SMC ChartSense app. It has interactive quizzes that test your candlestick pattern knowledge. Link in the description. In part 2, we cover what happens when candles combine, engulfing patterns inside bars, and how 2 candles together tell a story 1 candle alone cannot. Subscribe for part 2.